Thank you so much for
Myntri ketenat kekot kekya uba wailat migi Syllad ula Pyntip hapo ke ying dorbar haka apply terik rempang baka sorkar kala kyntiew kyrdan haduh kendai tylli ki Subcenter Syaki Primary Health Center PHC. Ula Pyntip ru ba ki kam ki bede bat ke jing kyntiew kyrdan ya ka Mawong Subcenter menta kadang ya cekman.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. So we come to the next question. Minister, please, to reply.
Honorable Chairman, sir, reply to question number 112. A, sir. Sir, there are 9 subcenter being upgraded to PHC. B, sir, the process for upgradation of Mawong subcenter is underway.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir. I'm very happy to know that the process for upgradation of Mawong Subcenter to PHC is underway. May I know from the Honorable Minister how long it will take for the inauguration and what is the timeline, Mr. Chairman, sir?
Honorable Chairman, sir. So, as I have replied in B, the process for upgradation is underway. So, for the time being, sir, we have to examine according to the guideline, according to IPHS norms. So definitely, sir, we'll check, and if everything is okay, then we'll try to speed up the master as soon as possible.